Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Thursday, May the 1st. We are in May. So we're at our first job, which is about 10 minutes from the shop, over here by the Mall of Georgia. This is a client I came out maybe a few months ago, did an in-home consultation. And they booked for today. The movers that I recommended actually came out yesterday and moved the furniture. So what we're doing, guys, is those world famous hand scraped engineered floors that you see us do a lot. These are the type of floors that cannot be sanded. So besides a process like mine, the only option they have is to replace the floors, and a lot of people don't want to go through that. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, so these are the floors right here. About 653 square feet. We're just doing this main area. And again, guys, most of the floors are really not bad. But over here, you can see some discoloration up in here, right here. And then after this, I'm going to Brookhaven to do a consultation for these exact same floors. And I'm also going to be going to Roswell to do an in-home consultation. So look at this, guys. See all that? Yeah. So that is the basically the color of the veneer has worn off. That's more the color has worn off. It hasn't really took out, because there are in some cases where the wood is actually gone, like chunks of the wood. So there's just mostly color, because you can still see the top of the veneer is still in good shape. So what we want to do is a color correction over there. Got a little bit over here. Okay. Tomorrow we have a screen and recoat pine floors in Marietta. Saturday we have a huge screen and recoat with UV cure, brand new floor. And then so far booked up next week. I'm only working Monday through Thursday, going out of town next weekend. So yeah, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got this floor screened, vacuum. Now Tavares is cleaning and tacking. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the color correction, and then lay down the coating, and then we're gonna go off and do two consultations. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, check out those color correction skills. Wow, that's a beauty. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the finish down. We just did another post clean. So we're going to go ahead and get the finish down. Then we're gonna shoot up into the city, do a few consultations, and also get some lunch. That's a good thing with technology, man. You can, you have your wallets and your cards and your phone, because I left my wallet at home. And I do have a picture of my ID in my phone as well. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that is looking so good. So good. All right, so go ahead and get this coated. I'm gonna leave us a little leeway so we can get downstairs, and also we're gonna coat those landings as well. So T is just cutting in. All right, stay tuned. All right, you come on up. All right, guys, we just got back. Look how good these floors look, man. So I went and did two consultations, both of them booked on the spot. One is a clean and buff in Roswell, beautiful modern home, and the other one is in Brookhaven, screen and recoat with UV cure. Yeah, with socks on. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. All right, guys, look at this color correction, man. Oh my God, dude, look, like it never even happened. Oh, come on out, Jen. I'm not gonna put your camera. Jen's not feeling too well. Jen, come look at this. Look, oh my God. Jaw dropped. You saw this? Yeah. Yeah. Don't they look so good?
Yeah, they look really good.
Thank you. And now the mover's coming back today, right?
Yes,
Yep. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and get this floor UV cured because the movers are coming back today to put the furniture back. Because that's the benefit of the UV cure is you can put the furniture back same day. So like I said, I came out here a few months ago. Remember all the missing, guys, I don't even know where it's at. There was a lot of missing color up in here, in this area right here. Sometimes the color corrections come out so good, I kind of forget where they were. But guess what? That's a good thing. So it's just from the wheels. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this floor UV cured, and our day is done. Yes, sir. All right, stay tuned. You guys go to the store? Yes. Okay. It's in the fish. Yes. That's what it is. It's in the fish. What? Wow. I can say it. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Floors came out great. All right, the movers are on their way. They should be on their way back to put the furniture back. Oh, that's my client calling the movers now. Very, very happy. Look at these results, guys. Whoop. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you tomorrow. We have a screen and recoat tomorrow in Marietta.
24 hours. Okay, but can you ask the price for it?
All right, guys. See you in the next one.